welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a keyboard. It is not mechanical, but it sounds like it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here it is. I have already unboxed it. It is a red keyboard. It's a Logitech. And we are about to just, test it, review it. First of all, off the bat, I really like it because it has the exposed keys, so there's no, it doesn't go anywhere, so it's gaming. You can actually see that because it's exposed. The keys are completely exposed, and that's one of my favorite things that I like on keyboards. Also, if you guys can hear, that might sound mechanical to you guys, but it's not. I'm serious. Here, I'm gonna remove a key for you guys right now just to show you. It is completely not mechanical, guys. Look at it. That's not a mechanical key. So, yeah, see if you look. That is not mechanical. I don't know if you guys can see though completely, but that is not mechanical, and it sounds like it is, so that's sick. You can really trick people so hard like that. This keyboard isn't actually that much for a gaming keyboard. It's coming in at a whopping $60. So I would say that's a pretty good pricing for this. Fake mechanical keyboard. So that's about it for you guys. Sorry if the light, yeah. Anyways, that's it for you guys. Off the bat, it looks sick. Just, I would rather have the RGB and it would change colors, rainbow. But overall, I rate this 9 out of 10. So, yeah. Peace, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.